Welcome to Dahua Technology, IFSEC 2022 in the London Excel. It's been an amazing second day here down at London. The stand has been very popular, many people on the stand. We of course obviously have our innovation fan with us. We have the TOC technology, we have DSS Pro, we have all of our flagship models with us. We also have the miniature Hubble camera, which is a new camera coming to the market. We also have the digital whiteboards and of course obviously our interactive monitors. It's been an absolutely amazing full packed day, so of course it's an excellent show.